What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette. Another video for you here today, and this one's going to be an interesting one because it's not like anything that I've ever done before. Basically, what I want to kind of go over is an incident that kind of happened a while back, and just kind of want to go over with y'all as if y'all have something similar or if something's ever happened to y'all like this in the past. But since you've been watching me and kind of seeing the car unfold and everything, I kind of felt like I wanted to share it. I didn't at first, but I'll go ahead and share it just because it's just part of the experience of having the car, and that's how it is. So let me just kind of explain what happened here. Okay, guys, so basically what happened was I went to a car show, and essentially what happened was it was a very, very windy day, and I pull up next to someone else in this group that I'm at, and the wind basically blows the door open as I'm getting out, and it hits the person next to me. To make a long story short, I didn't even realize that it had blown open and hit until I had gotten back, and I saw there was damage on the side of the door here. And then we finally got in contact with the other guy, and his door was dented and had to get all that fixed in insurance and get it fixed. And so but yeah, basically that's what happened. The wind blew the door open and it caused damage on the door and his door, and so we had to get it fixed. So I'll kind of show y'all pics here. I'm going to show you what it looks like now, but it doesn't even look like it ever even occurred or ever happened. Okay, over here, guys, on the driver's side door, it was right here, and you'll see it in the pictures. That's where the door just blew open and hit the other guy next to me, and it broke the fiberglass, messed the paint up, and got all that done. And on the side also, in the pictures, you'll see where the damage was over here on the inside of it. And so basically they had to repaint it, get all that squared off, and get the door damage fixed. I mean, you can't even tell that it would even happen anymore, thank God. But that was an ordeal. I had to find someone who knew how to work on Corvettes and fiberglass, and I had a lot of strikeouts. No one really wanted to do anything with the car, and so I had to find someone who was able to work on stuff like that and get it done. But long story short, it worked out. Door looks great, and I'm glad that they were able to fix that for me, because otherwise I was a train wreck, and I didn't want to drive the car because it's going to be an eyesore, and I'm going to know that spot's there. So that's basically what happened. Just wanted to share that with y'all. It was an ordeal, to say the least, but the damage is gone. There's nothing else there, and it looks brand new. I can't even tell anything ever happened. And that's comparison on the other side. Just be careful with the Corvettes. As you know, they're fiberglass. If you open the door and you open it too far, you might hit someone on the side over here, or if it's a really windy day, it'll blow the door open like it did mine and create a lot of damage. So just be careful whenever you're getting out of these cars, because as they're made of fiberglass, they're gonna break a lot easier than they would with the steel cars. So otherwise, it was pretty inexpensive to be fixed. I mean, my deductible is $1,000, and it was actually less than $1,000. So I just ended up paying cash for it. They didn't have to paint the back panel or anything. That's what some people were saying might have to be done, but they told me they just ended up just redoing the door again and fixing that side. So I'm kind of glad that actually ended up happening, and it was a lot easier done than what was originally thought. But thank God they were able to do it and get it squared off, because now you can't even tell that it's fixed there. All right, guys, but here's the car here. Glad to have it back. Shout out to Pro Care Collision for helping me get this car back on the road, get back in the paint correction and all that stuff. So I am very appreciative of them doing that. Y'all did a fantastic job, and I can't even tell that there was any damage on that door. So if y'all need anything, shout out to Pro Care Collision. They'll help you out with that, okay? All right, guys, so that's pretty much the story I kind of wanted to show y'all. Y'all saw in the pictures, if you want to pause them so you can see them longer, I know I only left them up for a few seconds. You'll kind of see the damage that it was in each detail, what happened. So, you know, you kind of see what happened here to my baby, but it's all fixed now. Everything's good, and I'm just happy to have the car back and, you know, to have it back on the road because I missed it. It was out for about 2 weeks, you know, total. So, but anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoy the content on this channel, and I'm going to be bringing a bunch more stuff in the future as much as I can. Just kind of stick with me, and, you know, we'll try to make this next year an eventful year. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on this channel. I do try to respond to all y'all's comments the second I can see them and respond. So if y'all have anything I want to put in the comments, feel free to, you know, type down and below, and I'll answer them to the best of the ability that I can answer them to y'all. Make sure to like them, because then that'll help, you know, get the videos and the algorithm better. And, you know, just feel free to ask me whatever y'all want. I mean, I'm here. I just like answering any questions y'all have and stuff like that. So, you know, check out my TikToks. I'm going to try to post more on those, Instagram and YouTube. Just try to support me all the way, guys. And, you know, hopefully this year will be a lot better and try to figure out more stuff. So I just thank y'all and appreciate y'all for supporting me. But until the next video, guys, this is the Rogue Vet out. Y'all have a great day. Peace.